Is there an indicator that can predict market bottoms? Today we'll take a look at one of the top indicators on TradingView that can identify bottoms with a good degree of accuracy. We will build a strategy around it and backtest it using TradingView's strategy tester to see whether it can be profitable or not. So, let's dive into it! Open the indicator session, go to Community tab and top indicator right here, and go to C.M. Williams Finds Market Bottoms by Chris Moody. As you can see, it's the third most popular indicator available on TradingView. As you can see from the documentation, this indicator comes from Larry Williams, which is one of the top traders worldwide. What I love about this indicator is that it's absolutely simple. This is an oscillator, and we have different histogram bars, green bars and gray bars. As you can see, whenever we have a green bars, there is the likelihood to have a market bottoms. As you can see from the screenshot, here we have bottom, here another, and so on. By opening the indicator settings, as you can see, we have different settings, but to be honest, I didn't touch anything right here and I leave the default settings. As you can see here, our indicator shows green histogram bar, so indicates a potential market bottom, and in fact here we have a market bottom. Here we have a similar situation, we have green histogram bar and we have a market bottom. Of course, it's not always like this, I'm just cherry picking to show you how this indicator works. So to build a strategy around this indicator is absolutely simple. You just need to load the strategy builder onto the chart, which is a premium indicator that allows you to build any strategies based on any indicator available on TradingView in just 2 clicks. We just need to select Find Market Bottoms as a long signal, price equal, and we are good to go. As you can see now, whenever we have a green signal from the market bottoms indicator, we enter in a long position. As you can see, here is the same, here is the same, and so on. I did modify this indicator into another version of the indicator because I think that it's better to enter in a long position when the green signal is confirmed. So basically, not immediately when we have a green histogram bar, but at the next gray bar. Here we have an indicator signal, but we enter at the next histogram bar. This is just a confirmation, but if you want, you can even enter when there is a green histogram bar. Now that we have set our entry signal, we will set up our exit signals. For the stop loss, we will use stop loss ATR, length 14 and multiplier of 3, whereas for a take profit, a risk reward of 2. As you can see here, we have our ATR bands and our stop loss will be exactly at the ATR level. The take profit will be 2 times the stop loss distance, a minus 5.81% as a stop loss distance, and here we have around 12% take profit. And so, let's jump into backtest results. We are here on ING USDT 4-hour time frame on Binance Exchange. We are going only long because this indicator is only able to catch bottoms and not tops. Order size $10,000 with fixed amount, 1x leverage, so basically 0 leverage. Stop loss ATR, 14 length with a multiplier of 3, risk reward of 2, as we was saying before. Initial capital $10,000 and 0.06% commission. And as you can see, guys, we have a really amazing 721.8% net profit, 91 total close trades, 46.15% win rate, 1.93 profit factor, 24.41% max drawdown, and 7.93% average trade, which is absolutely astonishing. Then we have net profit / drawdown, which is 5.37. The equity is absolutely good, even though in this final phase it starts to decline a little bit. If we compare with the buy and hold equity, as you can see, we wouldn't gain way more money just by keeping this coin in our wallets without trading any strategy. If we set here, let's say, for leverage, as you can see, the strategy is quite similar. So this equity is not really good if we compare it with the buy and hold equity, but we gotta ask ourselves if we would have kept this coin until here. And by the way, despite this high decline in the buy and hold metric, our equity is not declined as much as the buy and hold metric. Of course, we are dealing only with the long position, so if the coin starts to go down, there is a high likelihood to suffer drawdown periods, but by the way, we can filter out just by using a simple moving average filter or any other kind of trending filter. Monthly table is not so exciting. We have some profitable months, as you can see here, 180% net profit in just 1 month. here 127%, but then we have different losing months, as you can see, and some flat months, so basically zero trade in that month. By checking some trade, as you can see, as long as we are in a bull trend, our strategy is absolutely good and predicts the bottom. As you can see right here, we have a bottom from a retracement and we enter in a long position. Here the same, and here the same. But when we are in a bearish trend, as you can see, our strategy starts to suffer a little bit. The reason why I didn't apply any filter at all is because we already have a low number of trades, and if we apply some filter, we would end up with a few number of trades, which would have made our backtest less reliable. This strategy will be available in the Settings Bank Premium channel on Discord. There you'll find these and other ready-to-use strategies. You can get access to that channel along with all the premium indicators by joining on Patreon. You will find the link in the description or in comment section. We'll see you on the next one. Bye guys!